Hello everyone in the world. Welcome in English channel. Today we will talk about King of Pop, Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson was one of the most influential and successful artists in the history of music. He was born on August 29, 1958 in Gary, Indiana, United States. From a very young age, Michael showed extraordinary talent in singing and dancing. He grew up in a large family, and his father encouraged him and his brothers to practice music regularly. This early training helped shape his strong work ethic and artistic discipline. Michael Jackson first became famous as a child when he was the lead singer of the family group the Jackson 5. The group achieved great success in the late 1960s and early 1970s, producing hit songs such as I Want You Back and ABC. Michael's powerful voice, natural stage presence, and charisma made him stand out, and it was clear that he was destined for a remarkable solo career. In the late 1970s and 1980s, Michael Jackson launched his solo career and reached unprecedented global fame. His album Thriller 1982 became the best-selling album of all time, featuring legendary songs like Billie Jean, Beat It, and Thriller. He revolutionized pop music by combining powerful vocals, innovative dance moves, and cinematic music videos, including the famous moonwalk, which became his signature move. Beyond music, Michael Jackson had a huge impact on popular culture and the entertainment industry. He changed the way music videos were produced and helped break racial barriers on major music television channels. His creativity, fashion style, and performances influenced countless artists around the world. At the same time, he was known for his humanitarian work, donating millions of dollars to charities and supporting causes related to children, health, and education. Despite his incredible success, Michael Jackson faced many personal challenges, intense media attention, and health issues throughout his life. These struggles often overshadowed his achievements. Michael Jackson passed away on June 25, 2009, but his legacy continues to live on. He is remembered as the King of Pop, an artist whose music, talent, and influence changed the world forever. Don't forget to subscribe in your channel. See you soon. Goodbye.